In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1099-G form in TurboTax. This helpful guide will walk you through each step to ensure you properly enter your 1099-G information, whether it's for unemployment compensation or other types of government payments. Let's get started. First, head over to the TurboTax official site. This is the best place to begin as it offers a reliable and secure platform to file your taxes online. Once there, you'll want to sign in. If you're not already signed up, you'll need to create an account. For those who have already created an account, simply enter your login details to proceed. After signing in, you will find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. From here, you want to navigate to the federal section. This is where you'll input all the federal tax information required, including the 1099-G form that you're focusing on today. Next, you'll see an option labeled Wages and Income. Clicking here will take you to a comprehensive list of income types and sources. Scroll through to find the 1099-G form. Typing 1099-G in the search bar can help you get to this section quickly and efficiently. Once located, click on the unemployment option, as this is most commonly associated with the 1099-G form. Now, you are almost ready to start entering your information. Click on the Start button, which will guide you through the process of entering the details from your 1099-G form. This form includes information such as the payer's details and the exact amounts reported. Make sure to double check everything you inputted to ensure accuracy. One thing to keep in mind is that TurboTax might prompt you to upgrade in order to accurately report this particular type of income. Sometimes filing certain forms requires functionality only available in a higher tier service. It might involve a fee, so be prepared for this possibility, especially if you're dealing with unemployment claims or other complex income streams. That brings us to the end of your guided tour on how to enter a 1099-G form in TurboTax. By following these steps, you ensure that your tax information is complete and submitted on time. Remember, taking care of your taxes is crucial, as it helps you stay organized and compliant with government regulations. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult TurboTax's support resources for additional guidance. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be daunting, as long as you take it one step at a time. Have a great day and happy filing.